Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Hour. And what we're going to do here is a factory reset of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Alright, so first thing you got to do is unlock the phone, go into the settings, then you go all the way down to General Management. And from here, you go down to Reset. Now I know you probably see a lot of other videos where they do something more in the hardware, where they do the power buttons with the volume, and it goes into another screen, and you use the volume rocker to scroll up and down. This is just a way to do it through the settings, the simple way, just through the settings. And here it'll say factory data reset, and it resets your phone to the factory default settings, and it will erase all data. It will erase everything. So make sure you have everything backed up. This will wipe everything from your phone. All right, and reset. Then you go scroll all the way to the bottom. Reset. You enter your PIN because they got to make sure you know that this is what you want to do. Delete all. This will factory reset the whole phone. They asked me for my Samsung password. I have it in a fingerprint, and there it is. And it resets everything. The phone is being completely wiped. And there it is. I sped up the process a bit, it takes maybe another minute or two. And here it is. The phone is completely wiped, and you start from fresh. The phone is now basically like you just got it out of the box from the factory. And that is how you reset the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And this works for a lot of other Samsung phones as well, including the latest release, the 23 Ultra. All right, thank you.